Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this effect. And now let's jump right into the video. It's very simple. So first thing that you have to do, let's import our video. Okay, now what you have to do, simply select your video. This effect is very useful for moments that you have in your life. You like to freeze some frames in your video and just make it more memorable, more unforgettable. So now what you have to do, make sure you add a keyframe right at the beginning of the video, and at the end you add another keyframe, but you make sure you zoom in so you can have the important character in the frame. And now make sure you zoom in. That's what we're trying to do, to have this important character in the frame. And now here we just need to zoom in just a little bit, and now when he moves, we just have to keyframe this character so he stays right in the frame. That's very important. And we also have to ask ourselves what we're trying to accomplish here. And my goal here is just to move him in the right position. So now you can also add here and decrease your opacity. And now select your video and right where you think that's the right frame, that's the most important. You have to go to graphs, ease in graph, and then go to speed. Click on here, select curve and normal, double tap here. Now move exactly what's the most important frame here, and it's this one, and add beat. Now just drag it all the way down. You can also make this a little bit like this, so it's more smooth, and click on make fast, make it smooth. Okay, if that's what you have selected, that's great. Okay. Now the next step, we need to go to effects, select video effects, and here make sure you select shake. Okay, and add this effect only for a small part of the video. Okay, and it's this one. Is the frame that you're trying to capture, and it's this frame that I'm trying to capture, and add this effect. And now you simply click on this effect, select adjust, and intensity to around 40 or 60, around that age. Now, what you can do here is to go to overlay, add overlay. Here, go to stock videos and add this white image. Okay. Now, here what you have to do, select blend and select overlay. And now, make sure you add a keyframe. You move this, move again, move again, move again, and then the last keyframe we added, we just need to decrease the opacity and also drag this to the left side And this is what we have. I hope you like this effect, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials.